Hello and welcome back to Indie Game Development. Let's get this music started. There it is. And what were we working on? We were working on this like credits screen. When we beat the game, the first time we beat it, you unlock a time trial mode. After that, though, where am I going? Okay. After we unlock time trial, we need to see like the final credit screen, which is just a thanks for playing. Here are some links. Wishlist us here. Maybe here's the name of our studio. We appreciate you, basically, but you're done. So where we left off last time is I need to figure out how to get the Steam button that when you click on it, it sends you to wishlisting us on Steam. So let me actually find what that link is. What is it? store.steampower.com. Let's look up Gravitorium. Here we are. Back over here. Okay. So we've got the link. How do I have a, there you go. I'll store you there. Okay. Now, what do we do? Where do I even start? Let me take a look at some messages to see if there's anything that I may have forgotten. Gravitoriumgame.com. Okay. You know what? Let's turn to our good friend Google. Clickable links in Unity. I don't want to go to a YouTube video. Clickable links in a text component. Let's try that. Create your own, a panel above that is clickable, or some other technique. Okay, yes, I do not want text, but I want clickable somethings. Yeah, that's for text. I don't want that. Let's see, how to check if image is clicked Unity. Var type. Do I have to check if an image has been clicked? Okay, let's look at these articles. Okay. Okay, box collider. Attach a script with the following function. Oh, gotcha. Wow, and it'll just do that? Attach a script to... Okay, yeah, let's take a look at the docs. Whenever the mouse is released over the same collider as it was pressed. Now, I don't want this. I want like an on mouse down. I don't see on mouse down, so I'm gonna go to on mouse up and hope that there's an on mouse down here. There it is. Column, the user has pressed the mouse button while over the collider. Okay, so I am going to need that, like, collider 2D, box collider 2D. Okay. All right, we're getting somewhere. Let's take a look at this. Thanks for playing. Color text, game object. That is this. Now, this is in, like, canvas space here. I hope that clicks in canvas space will translate over. I assume that they won't, but let's see what happens first. So let's go ahead and add this box collider. Is trigger, blah, 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 blah. Okay, can I see the collider? Maybe it doesn't need to be that big. Oh, I edited it. Am I editing it? Edit. That doesn't seem to be doing anything. We'll just keep it like that. I'll change it some other time. Okay, so then this object needs a... Let's take this out of things for playing. Front of the black screen. Okay, so let's add... So do we have a script for something like this? Scripts. Sounds like a helper. Scene object. Scene object property drawer. Let's just create a new script. What am I going to call this? I'm going to call this clickable image. Let's open you. Where is my VS Code window? It didn't even open up. What? Open. There it is. Okay, so we've got... Wait, is this even in my source folder? Yes. Don't show this again. Don't show again. Close you. Okay. What am I doing? What am I doing? What am I doing? We need a serialized field. Public. What do we call this? This is a string for link. So we've got to be able to enter the link somehow. It's going to change based on which image we click. And then here, no, not here. What was the function called? It was called on mouse down. Yes. So, and it comes from a mono behavior which we are in. So we should have a void. Oh wow! Okay, thanks. Thanks, autopilot. I appreciate you. Okay, this comes from the Unity engine. Nice. Nice. But this should only happen if not string dot is null or empty. Link. So, okay, that was easier than I thought it would be. I should not have said that before I tested it. But let's try it. Click, 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 click. Nothing. We're getting no references, but that shouldn't be a huge deal. It's line 40. Oh, you know what? I did not attach the script. It might help. You know? Now let's go ahead and do that. Clickable image. Your link is, what was that? Pull you out. There you go. And let's do it. Click, 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 click. Nothing. The credit screen is failing. You know, let me hack the game a little bit. We're gonna go back to game manager. And somewhere I put like an equals 5. There it is. Okay, I'll switch you directly to equals 5 so that we go straight to the credit screen. And then let's go to the project. So the reason that all these no reference exceptions are happening is because we need to launch our game from the base scene. Save. This scene, this base scene, is what loads our main game manager and everything. Everything depends on the game manager. So we're going to continue. We're going to go straight to the credits and click. That didn't do anything. But I got a no reference. What did I get a no reference for? Wait, where did this come from? Oh, is this what I had before? Oh, yeah. Oh my god, I forgot about it. I thought somebody else came in and modified what was happening here. Hide. Where is blame? There you go. This worried me a little bit. I thought somebody else came in and like tried to figure this out. I think I have a better way of doing this, right? You just have a function, you have a clickable link, rather than the credit screen itself checking, did we perform the left click, could do a bunch of stuff if this thing is down. Yeah. But I did notice a problem. So the problem is when we enter the credits screen and I want to click on that Steam link, it takes me away from that page. And the reason it takes us away from that page is, well, we check for any input. On any input, it goes back there. So the question is, how the heck do we do it? Before that, even, let's just check if this even got hit. No. Why do you not know if you get hit? Let's go back to the docs. The docs are always going to be the source of truth. Unless the docs are terrible, in which case, oh my god, bad docs will kill whatever the project is. On mouse down is called when the user has pressed the mouse button while over the collider. And I have a collider. This event is sent to all scripts of the game object with collider. Scripts of parent or child objects do not receive this event. Okay. That belong to the ignore raycast layer. Is this guy ignoring raycasts? Boop. Game object. You are a raycast target. Wait, is this the collider? Oh my god, I couldn't even see that that was there. Wow. Normally Unity's pretty good about like auto-detecting shapes and whatnot, but not this time. There we go. Well, let's give it a little bit of wiggle room. We don't have to be crazy precise with clicking on this icon. Okay, so now things should work. We're not. Credit screen start. Oh, right, the game manager is not set up yet, so we cannot do this. We have to launch from the base scene, save it, run. Okay, continue. Still not seeing it. Let's go back to that, and I want to look at the scene. I want to see this Steam icon. Yes, you have a box collider now. And you have a clickable image. Let's try to attach. Attach to Unity. From the clickable image. Yep. This seems good. I don't see anything painfully obvious that I'm doing wrong. Take some coffee. The coffee will give us the answer. Here. I did attach, right? I am attached. Okay. Does this clickable image script run at all? Yes, it does. Yes, it does. Yes, it does. Yes, it does. How do I do this? I wonder if here, well, not this specifically, but We have this logic in the game manager that captures any input. There's no way that it overrides this input, right? Functions called on colliders and 2D colliders marked as a trigger when the following properties are set to true. Queries hit triggers. Can be a coroutine. Scripts of the parent or child. Let me continue. Go ahead. Okay. Canvas. Thanks for playing. Game object. You have a box collider. Your box collider looks solid. Let's make you a trigger and then see if anything happens. No. Let's remove raycast target and see what happens. God damn it. Thanks for playing. Game object. Okay, now click. Nothing. Gotta say, I'm a little stumped. So we're gonna turn to Safari. I spelled it right? Void on mouse down. Yeah, I spelled it right. Do some stuff. Yeah, there's nothing fancy going on here, so what's going on? This function is not called on objects that belong to the ignore raycast layer. Well, that thing is not on that layer, right? Let's go back. How do I, like, expand everything? Game object. You're untagged, your layer's UI. Oh, you know what? This might have to do with the fact that we're in canvas space and not screen space. Damn it. Okay. Okay. I think that's it. So this is gonna be kind of annoying, but it is what it is. So we go to thanks for playing. Game object, take you out of the canvas. Let's move you after the canvas so you can render on top. Game object still has an image. You're no longer on the UI layer. Just put you on default. You know what? Let me just make another empty game object. Create empty Steam logo. Add a clickable image script. Add a... was it box collider? Box collider 2D. Let's add the image. The image will be... oh, no, not material. The image will be a Steam logo. Still not seeing it. Does it have to go first? The main camera here. Oh. Can I put you there then? Okay, I don't know where this image is. Let's set everything to 0. Oh, is it there? Can I just, like, disable this canvas? Thank you. Now, where the heck's the Steam logo? Let's bring this up. Just in case. Where the heck are you, buddy? Am I going crazy? Is maybe the width is 1,000. 1,000. Layer default, you're untagged. What's the problem here? Can I just go into sprites? Look for the Steam logo. Oh, we have two? Damn it. It's the exact same thing. Okay. Let's just get you in like that. You're a sprite renderer, not an... Oh. Did I just have the wrong type of object here? That would make sense. An image goes on a canvas, but a sprite renderer goes into the game. Let's try that. Man, I am very sleepy today. Oh, right is one of the best. Okay, so this has to be a sprite renderer. Awesome. Okay, so we have a sprite renderer. It's gonna have a box collider. It's gonna be clickable. It's gonna be in world space, not like canvas space or whatever you call that. Let's scale this down. Oh yeah, let's go back to 100, 100. This is the Steam logo that I don't want, actually. Right? Oh, no, this is Steam logo I do want. So what's up with your width? Sprite render. Are you scaled or something? Scale is 111. This must just be a huge image. We're gonna scale you down. There we go. Now we're gonna move you around. Oh, that's not what I wanted. This one. Okay, somewhere around here. I enable the canvas now. And I put the Steam logo in front. After. After. Okay, now. There's always something, huh? Put you on the UI layer. And then put you before the canvas. Nope. Nope, 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 nope. What am I missing? Screen space overlay. World space? Is this black screen on a Z position? No. Let's go back to screen space overlay. Sort order, can I do -1? What if I put 3? Back to the Steam logo. You're a sprite renderer. Do you have a sort order? Order in layer. What layer are you on? Oh, you're on the UI layer right now. Okay, can I do -1? Nothing is changing how this thing works. Above game. Do any of these work? Default rendering layer. Okay, that's... I don't even know what that setting is. What is static? Alright. I wonder, does this change the camera's render type? Rendering. Stack? No. Mask output. I'm really not sure what to do here. I know that we're close. I know that we are very close. I would also put money. Put money on Like, I'm just missing some tiny setting. One thing. I'm like one thing away from getting this to work. Very soon I'm going to have to read the documentation on cameras and canvases and sprites being rendered onto the same screen. You know what? Let me just hide the background. Let me hide this black screen. Ooh. Okay. I'll hide that. Okay, so I got that idea because the background of the camera is black, so we don't actually need this. Oops. Back to the game. Yeah, so we didn't actually need that black screen because the background of the camera is already black. Okay, so this works. Now let me give this link. So now this is a clickable image with a box collider. That's not properly set. Is there like an auto button? I don't think so. There we go. Save it. Let's go back to our scene. Let's go back to the base scene. And hit play. And this should work. Boop. Nice, finally. I forgot this was linked. Let's disconnect it. Did this just open up? It did in a different tab. Let me make sure that this is the... Make sure to be here. And then try this again. Continue. Boop. Nice. I don't know if there's like a wish list specific button. Copy link. What does this do? Okay, that's just JavaScript. Don't want to do that. Can we do Steam link to wish list? No, I don't want. How to link to the wish list purchase button. There you go. This is still excellent advice. Wait. Oh, this is a little tip. Okay, I thought this was the question. Game area purchase to the end. Perfect. Thank you, Laomania. Okay, let's verify that this is actually what needs to be done. Nice. Okay, awesome. Now we go back to the credits screen. Get that Steam logo. Drop that link in there. Done. All right, so that's a clickable link. We now have clickable links in general. They work. We know how they work. Yeah, the big thing that blocked me there was the sprite renderer. I just wasn't... I didn't understand how to get something drawn onto the screen in such a way that the camera would see it when it's not in the UI layer. The problem was I started this Steam logo as being part of the UI layer, so when I dragged it out of there, it didn't have the sprite renderer, it just had an image, which the UI layer would have drawn, apparently. But you needed a sprite renderer there. And then figuring out the sorting just meant hiding that black screen image that I had there. So, what's next? What are the other requirements here? Wishlist us on Steam. Maybe I have a little click me text here. What else would we do? For the home page. Okay, I think maybe we shrink this text, put it over this button, and then I have another image to be bringing in here. Let me actually download this image. Open in browser. Here's the image. Save image to downloads. Sure. So let's get that into sprites. Let's create a folder for logos. Let's get the Steam image in there. And then we're gonna get our newfound, this guy in there. Full thumbnail. Okay, that's fine. So I'm just gonna copy the Steam logo. We're gonna change your image to full thumbnail. We're gonna scale you up. Scale. Nice. How is this looking? Nice. Okay. We could do this. Thanks for playing. Color text. I'm gonna duplicate you. Let's go back to the scene. Let's see what we're working with here. You know what? Actually, I don't need to be in the scene view. So one will be wishlist us on Steam. Actually, no, I do need to scale this down. And then we gotta move. How do I switch to this move tool? Is it M? No, of course not. That'll be on this side. So this will be. Oh my god! Did not mean to do that. Whoa. Okay. We are going. So this text is going to be what, homepage? Click check out the site. I don't know. Let's just call this right link, and we'll call this left text, and let's call this right text. There it is. Now we're going to move you over here. We're going to scale you. And then just see how it looks. Oh, nice. It's almost perfect. So we'll drag you a little bit up. What is this text going to be? Shrunk down for the home page. Okay, now what is this going to say? This is going to say home page. I couldn't think of anything in particular. What's this one's scale? Right text. 0.37242. 0.37242. Link them together, man. Come on. Okay, fine. So, there. Oh, unlink them. There we go. Look at the game. Okay, maybe this text is too small. Link them together. Make it a bit bigger. Link them together. Boop. This looks a little weird. Maybe we should have the stars in the background. Yeah, is that something I can just, like, take out of other scenes? Scenes. Save, for sure. But I don't think I want to be there. Let's go to the main menu. Nebula... Ooh, excuse me. Nebula Clouds backdrop. There it is. Scale it up and call it a day. What do you look like? Nothing. It doesn't even look like there's texture. There clearly is. but it doesn't look like it. This page is too static. Save it. What else do we need here? Stars grid. Let's take the stars. Yeah, let's go back to the credits scene. I can still like that. What's up with this? Wait, am I looking at the canvas right now? I am. Son of a god damn it. Okay, the camera is actually here. Alright. That will not be the first time that I do that. Or the last time that I do that. Let's bring you over there. Stars grid, scale you down. And then bring you over there. Now we zoom in. Scale you more? I don't know what the ratio of this is like supposed to be. So let's just do something like this. Get this cloud backdrop scaled down too. And then move you here. There you go. Alright. That's much better. Let's move this stars just a little bit. I think it's kind of messing with some other stuff there. There you go. That's looking a lot better. Okay, let's keep moving these stars. I need to get this side by side. There it is. Like that, maybe? It's not bad. Okay. Now what about this backdrop? What would make for a reasonably interesting composition? Oh, maybe split it. I can see that. Like that. Or this, or that. Let's put it like this. Cool. What's left? Let's go back to this text. The scale of the left text needs to be improved. Let me change your position Y. Why is that? Oh, there it is. Now it's changing. Let's line those up, and then I'll move up the Steam logo. No, this is the homepage logo. And Steam logo needs to move up. Why are you dancing? Oh, come on, I almost had close enough. This image kind of clashes with, it looks weird with the nebula backdrop. They should have some sort of like nice floating effect. But I think at this point I'm just gonna show it to the team and get their feedback on it. See what thoughts they might have. Because they might just say like, you know, this doesn't look great. Let's do something different entirely. This is at least a good stopping point. So we did it. We figured out how to do clickable links, something I had absolutely no idea how to do in Unity before this. So we learned something. And isn't that the point? Let's keep moving you. There we go. Now, if this is a clickable link, you need to have a link in you. So I'm going to delete this Steam logo. Now the homepage logo needs a link to the homepage. Gravitoriumgame.com. Copy. Where is the clickable link? Here. Put you there. Now we're going to save it. Will this actually work? It will. So you will take me here. Except you won't. Where's the... Was I running the game when I... Oh yeah, that's game area purchase. Yep. And then homepage logo was this. So why didn't you take me to the game area purchase? That is weird. This is correct, so I'm gonna leave that as is, and we'll worry about that some other time. But now we have to verify that Gravitorium. Why do you take us to the old Gravitorium? Is this on an old version or something? I know I just changed your logo, or your gravitoriumgame.com. Let's go here from base scene. Continue. Boom. There that is. And now, boom. Don't tell me it's... Wait a second. Where are these colliders? Something tells me that this Steam collider is just huge. No, it's not. One more Gravitorium. You don't even have a collider, do you? Wait. No, that's it. Okay. Let's make you smaller. I don't know why we're going to different pages, or why this link isn't updating, but I trust what I see, and I think this is just some, like, you've got to restart or something like that. So that's it for this one. It was a good episode. We learned some stuff. Yeah, I'll catch you in the next one when I get my next bug. See ya.